Hello grade 7s, this is an introductory video for the video design unit. So what we're looking at here is the unit outline, which I have paper copies for you, but I don't know that you'll have them in hand when you're seeing this. And so if we look here, you can see the design situation. I've written it up to be a little bit more colorful, but I'll just summarize it very briefly. Your goal for this unit is to design a short video of some kind. It could be a commercial, a music video, a comedy sketch, a documentary, whatever you choose it to be. The goal of this unit is telling a story in a short length of time. So you'll be designing videos that are between sort of 2.5 to 3 minutes long that are designed to tell a story. And so you'll come up with specifications for that story. You'll do some research about how best to tell the story, what techniques to use. You'll come up with a storyboard, a script, a filming schedule. You'll perhaps assemble a crew made up from your classmates and use them to film the video, which you will then edit yourself and eventually showcase to all the grade 7s. To evaluate the success of the video, you'll come up with a survey that people will fill out after they have viewed it, and all of these milestones will be spread out between now and May. One thing you'll notice when you log in to your design portfolios is I've actually gone through and updated them. So we created design portfolios at the start of the year. It's shared with all of you already, but I updated the template, I changed the page layouts, and I actually added in these links now that exist to take you to each section of the portfolio. So you can just click and it'll jump down to whichever section you happen to be working on. I made that as a quality of life change after our last unit. I noticed people were scrolling a lot and had trouble finding the right section. Well, now it links to each section and you can just add your work in the proper spot. I've also changed the layout of the paper, so we've gone to portrait instead of landscape, and I got rid of the two columns because many of you were not pleased with that setup. I've also updated our design portfolio site to reflect some of the tasks that are coming up in this video editing unit. So there's buttons for all parts of the design criteria, and criterion A is all laid out and ready to go. So we've got all 4 sections laid out here. And if you were to click on the problem, it will actually pull you into the very first thing that you need to do today, which is to outline what the purpose of your video is. And you'll do that by answering these 3 questions in your design portfolio. As you scroll down, you'll see I've included all the necessary information, the link to the exemplars there, the instructions are there, everything is ready to go. And then research questions would be the next step you move on to, where you'll come up with 3 to 4 research questions that are going to help you make your video. So everything is there. You just need to make sure that you're reading through the instructions carefully, and then you will be all set.